Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make paper rolled flowers. So right here I'm just cutting my paper flowers out and I'm using an 8.5 by 11 sheet. My cut depth is 3 and I'm cutting with a force of 30 at 4 times speed. Once it's finished, I find it's easier to flip over my cutting mat and I find it peels really nicely from the cutting mat that way. Then you're going to want to take a rounded tool just to get that initial curve on your paper roll. And then you just kind of follow it through all the way to the end. So once I've finished rolling my paper flower, I actually put it down on the counter to let it relax a little bit. And then I'm going to start gluing. So I'll add a little bit of glue to the bottom surface and continue to add a little bit more glue all the way around the flower so it holds its shape. So for my shadow box, I'm actually using a shadow box that I found at Michael's. It's a 10 by 10 opening. It gives you a working area of about 9 inches. And I'm actually going to take my flowers and glue them directly to the bottom panel. So for those of you wondering about flower placement, this is kind of the pattern that I've created that I find helpful. I start by laying them out in kind of a triangular pattern and work my way up from there. So here's a picture of my completed shadow box. If you like it, then please subscribe and I'll show you some more how-to videos real soon. Thank you. Bye.